just thought I'd throw this announcement out there. Really proud to announce this, but now working with Scan Computers again. One of my first clients, first contracts that I got with them was several years ago when I first started out, and it's absolutely great to be back on board with the team at Scan. So I'll be working really closely with the Pro Video team as their drone specialist, and that's going to cover things like attending events, being their go-to for any drone related matters, giving them market insights, how workflows occur, what drones are best for what job, what industry, how they can better their their website, customer relations, just everything drone related, which is obviously fantastic. Got product reviews as well, which we're going to be doing, creating a load of content. So in the next few weeks, we're going to be in the studio filming content with them and getting the ball rolling really to accelerate that further forward. Got product reviews again, like I say, we've got the Avata, courtesy of Scan Computers. Going to be releasing a series soon on learning how to fly it, my thoughts, my feelings, how it's going, and hopefully put it on a commercial job and see how we get on. So there's loads in the pipeline, really excited, and yeah, as you can imagine, it's going to be pumped all over social media. So watch this space, and I'll see you soon.